Hey YouTube, just doing a quick walk around slash review of the KTM 690 Duke with ABS brakes. This model is a 2013 model, so let's get to it. Show you guys the front, Brembo brakes, ABS. I'll fire it up here in a second, let you guys hear it. This is the black model with orange accents, as you can see in the frame right there. Rear brakes, also Brembo, ABS, Akrapovic full system titanium exhaust with carbon fiber accents, and it also has Canon intake with full system mapping on it. Front. I'll fire it up here for you guys. Let you guys see the startup. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Just want to show it off real quick. Let me know what you guys think. Hit like if you enjoyed it. Any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to answer them for you. Thanks guys. Once again, 2013 KTM Duke 690 with ABS brakes. Later YouTube.